The untimely death of Lisa Marie Presley has not only shocked the world and her entire family, but has also catalyzed problems within the Presleys. After finding an amended trust, Mother Priscilla Presley started a legal battle to consider it invalid. A source says this battle over Lisa Marie's trust has reportedly caused Priscilla and her granddaughter Riley Keough, the new co-trustee of the amended trust, to stop communicating. If you're curious to know more about the legal battle over Lisa Marie Presley's trust that caused Priscilla Presley and Riley Keough to stop communicating, then keep on watching. A source has reported that Priscilla Presley and Riley Keough are not on speaking terms while the legal battle over Lisa Marie's trust is still ongoing. They've said that it has been a very tense and heartbreaking few weeks for Lisa Marie's mother and daughter as they both continue to mourn her loss and deal with the legal proceedings for her trust. The source shared that the weeks after Lisa Marie's death has been tense and heartbreaking for the Presley family, especially Riley and Priscilla, who are at the forefront of the legal battle over the trust. Lisa Marie's eldest daughter, Riley Keough, has been dealing with her grieving and the legal proceedings of her mother's trust. The source says that she's dealing with a dispute with another family member with a very heavy heart. Priscilla, however, is steadfast in her belief that she has a strong case and will win in court. Although Riley and Priscilla aren't speaking directly at this moment, they have been in contact with each other through attorneys. Lisa Marie Presley's untimely death happened on January 12, 2023. The 54-year-old beloved figure suffered from 2 cardiac arrests and was declared dead in a local hospital. It was her mother, Priscilla, who confirmed the news to the world through a heartbreaking statement where she thanked fans for their prayers and continued on to ask for privacy as their family dealt with the loss. The Presley family held a public memorial service to commemorate Lisa Marie, which they had in Graceland. The service was attended by many of those close to the deceased star and fans who mourn her loss. The whole world and her family were particularly shocked by her untimely passing as just days before her death. Lisa Marie was in the public eye. She had held a celebration for what would have been her father, Elvis's 85th birthday in Graceland. Lisa Marie was also seen publicly supporting her father's biopic titled after him. The legal aftermath started weeks after Priscilla found an amended version of Lisa Marie's trust, which dates back to 2016. Priscilla seemed to be unaware of this amendment. She sought out to declare it invalid as she argued that there are several issues with it. The source goes on to say that while they are both gearing up for court, Riley would prefer to settle this dispute privately. Riley is reportedly heartbroken that the trust battle has turned into a public matter, knowing that her now-deceased mother would have never wanted that. Although she is very stressed due to the situation, she's been trying to keep a positive attitude and outlook ahead of her new series coming out. The source confirms of Riley's Big Daisy Jones and the 6th premiere. They added that her daughter and husband have been keeping her in good spirits. When it comes to her late daughter's trust, Priscilla is acting in a way that she feels right in her heart, according to the source. They added that Priscilla was convinced that the old documents had been forged. Following Lisa Marie's death on January 12, her representative confirmed that Graceland, the former home of her father, Elvis Presley, would go to her 3 daughters, 33-year-old Riley and 14-year-old twins Harper and Finley Lockwood. Weeks after Lisa Marie's passing, an amendment of her trust dating back to 2016 came to light. The 2016 trust placed Lisa Marie's children, Benjamin and Riley Keough, as co-trustees. Unfortunately, Benjamin passed away in 2020, leaving Riley as the lone trustee. Upon getting her hands on the amended trust, however, Priscilla claims that the purported file has many issues surrounding it and is contesting the authenticity and validity of Riley's appointment. She has since filed a legal request to the Los Angeles Superior Court to state that the 2016 amendment is invalid, making her co-trustee over her granddaughter. Lisa Marie Presley did not have a separate will filed, which means that her living trust serves the function of that document. A living trust is a form of estate planning that allows a person to control their assets while alive, but have them distributed if they die. Lisa Marie Presley, the sole heir to her father, Elvis Presley, executed her original living trust in 1993. According to the court filing Priscilla handed, the trust was completely restated on January 27, 2010. It appointed Priscilla Presley and her former business manager, Barry Siegel, as co-trustees. According to the legal files that Priscilla presented, there are many issues surrounding the authenticity and validity of the purported 2016 amendment. The alleged issues include that the amendment misspells Priscilla's name. The amendment was never delivered to Priscilla, and that Lisa Marie's signature on the amendment appears inconsistent with her usual and customary signature. Despite the legal dispute, Joel Wainshanker, a managing partner of Elvis Presley Enterprises, spoke out in support of Riley maintaining to act as a trustee in the wake of Lisa Marie's passing. In an appearance on Sirius XM's Elvis Radio, he said that when Elvis passed away, he left everything to Lisa Marie. Wainshanker added that the late legend did so knowing that Lisa Marie would be the one to keep his legacy going. I can tell you that Lisa Marie has, without falter, no matter what else was happening in her life, in her career, always been the one to look at what was best for Elvis, regardless of what somebody else was trying to do, regardless of what another family member was trying to do, he candidly shared. We just want to think about what Lisa would have wanted, and that's what's best for Elvis. She never had a doubt in her mind that that's Riley, Joel added. There's no question on anyone's mind because Lisa Marie had spoken about it. There are numerous amounts of written information. She had talked to so many of her friends about it. There was never a question, and anybody who's speaking differently isn't looking out for Elvis, isn't looking out for Lisa Marie, certainly isn't looking out for Riley. Priscilla spoke out against the rumors and the situation earlier, saying, I loved Elvis very much as he loved me. Lisa Marie is a result of our love. For anyone to think anything differently would be a travesty of the family legacy and would be disrespectful of what Elvis left behind in his life. Priscilla insisted that an individual who bought their way into the family enterprise is trying to speak on behalf of the Presley family. This person is not a representative of Elvis or our family, she added, without sharing whom she was referring to. Please allow us the time we need to work together and sort this out. Please ignore the noise. As I'd have always been there for Elvis' legacy, our family and the fans, I will continue to forge a pathway forward with respect, honesty, dignity, integrity, and love, Priscilla shared. What do you think about Priscilla and Riley's current situation? Comment your thoughts down below. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the